Did you know, with just one simple tip, you can preserve fresh tomatoes for months while still retaining the same flavor as when you first bought them? Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to Great Tips. If you are having a headache because you bought too many tomatoes but haven't had time to use them all, don't worry. In just a few minutes without any complicated tools, I will guide you on how to freeze tomatoes properly, both economically and much more delicious than the usual way of preserving. Let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. After buying tomatoes from the supermarket, let's preserve tomatoes together. First, put the tomatoes in a bowl of clean water. Remember to wash all the dirt off the tomatoes. Then remove them to a tray to drain. You can use a clean cloth or paper towel to dry them completely. Where are you from? It's great to know we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. Cut the tomatoes into pieces. And place them in an airtight Ziploc bag. Close the bag, leaving a small slit for a straw. Suck out all the air, close the bag. This creates a vacuum. Ready to freeze. Tomatoes will keep for months. Method 2. You can also freeze whole tomatoes. I will show you how to defrost. I made 2 small cuts in each tomato. poured boiling water over it. Leave it for about 30 seconds. Then peel it. Next, chop it. Then pour cooking oil into a hot pan. Then add a clove of garlic and fry until fragrant. I put the tomatoes in and cook for about 10 minutes from the time the water boils. Add a little green onion to make the dish more beautiful. The tomato sauce is ready. Fresh tomatoes. More flavorful than unfrozen tomatoes. Done. And now let's see our results. Isn't it great? Method 3. If you don't like freezing tomatoes, follow these steps. Vacuum sealing tomatoes. Put tomatoes in a bowl of clean water. Rinse tomatoes with clean water. Remove tomatoes and dry thoroughly with a clean towel. Discard any bruised, cracked, or mushy tomatoes. If you plan to use them for cooking later, keep them whole. Prepare 2 zip bags. Put the tomatoes in the zip bag so that it is about 5 to 7 centimeters from the mouth of the bag to make it easier to seal the mouth after vacuuming. Do not overfill the bag to avoid crushing the tomatoes. Put the tomato bag in a bowl of water to squeeze out all the air. Close the bag. Continue to put the remaining tomato bag in a bowl of water to squeeze out the air. Then put the vacuum-sealed tomato bag in the refrigerator. Can be kept for 7 to 10 days. Method 4. Use toilet paper or newspaper to wrap each tomato tightly. Wrapping paper will reduce the amount of air contact with the tomatoes, retain moisture, help tomatoes stay fresh longer, and retain color. Next, prepare a paper box. Now, prepare some edible baking soda and sprinkle a thin layer on the bottom of the box. Then, arrange the tomatoes, making sure they are not too close together. If you have a lot of tomatoes, you can add cardboard between the layers and continue to arrange them. This way, you can keep the tomatoes for 1 month at room temperature, while still maintaining their flavor and freshness. Finally, keep in a cool, dry place, away from sunlight. Method 5. Dice for freezing. The next method not only saves you time, but also keeps tomatoes fresh as long as the first method, by dicing them before storing. First, cut off the top and bottom of the tomatoes, which are the parts that are most likely to contain pesticide residue. Then, cut the tomatoes into bite-sized cubes, which are very convenient for cooking later. You may not know, tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that can help reduce the risk of heart disease and prostate cancer, and also support healthy skin. Since learning this, I have added tomatoes to my daily meals. That's why this pre-cut and freeze tomato trick saves my family time. Now, all you have to do is divide the cut tomatoes evenly into small zip-top bags. Next, put the bag of tomatoes in a bowl of water to push the air out. Then seal the bag. Then put it in the freezer. This step helps prevent freezer burn and keeps the tomatoes fresh longer. This way, tomatoes can last for 3 to 6 months. Perfect for making sauces, stir-frying tomatoes with eggs, or any dish that requires cooked tomatoes. When you need to use them, just take the bag out of the freezer, let it thaw for a few minutes, and then cook. Thanks to this simple tip, you will save a lot of time and effort by not having to cut tomatoes every day. The great thing is that after defrosting, the tomatoes still retain their fresh color and shape, just like they were just bought from the market. How convenient, right? If you find it interesting, don't forget to save it to apply. If this video is useful, please like, share it with your relatives and friends so that everyone can know this interesting tip. And remember to subscribe to the Great Tips channel so you don't miss the next tips. Thank you for always accompanying me. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.